Welcome to my channel, friends. So many people are getting frustrated with the slow speed of computer. So I am giving about 17 to 18 tips to increase the speed of your computer and optimize the performance. In this series, I have already given one tip previously in my previous video, which was talking about defragmentation of the device. Second and very important tip is virtual memory setting up. So you need to set up virtual memory in your PC. Definitely it is not being there is an option to automatic utilize it, automatic adjust it, but that is not enough. So you need to set up virtual memory in your system, increase the performance of your computer. How to do that, I'm going to tell you. I'm not going to make the bigger video. So virtual memory is basically you are assigning include I mean, for example, the paging file which will give more power, more memory to support the RAM processing. So that will help speeding up your computer. Let me tell you how it can be done. Okay, so first you need to click on start. Okay, then click on setting. You can see just when you click start, there is one gear icon, and setting, you can just click on setting, and here you need to click on system, the first icon, system. And I'm telling you about Windows 10. After you click on the system, just go down. In there are two windows here, left window and right window, or left bar or right bar. So in left bar you need to go absolutely down, and there is one icon here, about. There is one link, just click on about. Right side you will get so many options, but just go down slowly and you will get system info. There is one link which is called system info. Okay, you need to click on system info. So when you clicked on system info, there are so many options. You have device manager, you have remote settings, you have system protection, you have advanced system setting. We are going to set the memory of virtual memory of computer. So click on advanced system setting. I clicked on advanced system setting, and now real fun begins. So there are many options. Like when you open system properties, there is computer name, hardware, advanced. Already system will take you to the advanced, and just go to performance. Click on setting here, performance. And after you click here, one thing, yes, while you are going, you can just adjust for best performance. Just click here if you want, but it's not the objective. The objective is setting up virtual memory. Go to the next, which is advanced. Next tab you can see is advanced. So on this tab there is another button, change. So I already set my paging file so to optimize the performance, but you need to do change. Click on change, and you can see which drive has maximum amount of storage space free. The best is C drive if you have, else D drive or any drive you can set, so that memory will be available and system will be able to use it for internal memory, internal processing, to support the RAM. So when you click this, you need to ensure click on custom, and initial size and maximum size, just make it same. How to calculate that? This is 1.5 times of your RAM in your system. If your RAM is, let's say, 4 GB, then your initial size will be 6 GB at both the places, and 6 GB into MB. So you can write like 6,000 at both the places, or maybe 6500 at both the places, but 6,000 is enough, so you can write at both the places. This is thumb rule, 1.5 into RAM. And then you set it. Just press set. Remember, when you press set, you need to reboot your system, because after rebooting, system will occupy that space and allocate in spot of the RAM. It will create a paging file, and then you can do it set. Here you can see minimum allowed is 16, recommended is 19.4, current allocated 12,000. So I have given huge power to my system, and it is able to perform at optimal speed. This is very important setting. Do it carefully, and it will require a system reboot. I'm sure this will help you a lot. Thank you very much for watching this video. Stay connected and subscribe this channel. Take care. Jai Hind.